So hey everyone, Dennis Martin here with another episode of Inside Enstrom. Today we're going to do something kind of fun. It's a beautiful day here in Michigan, sunny, and it's going to be in the mid-30s. So we're going to head on down to EAA. They're having their Winter Flight Fest and annual ski plane flying. I was too lazy to put the skis on my airplane, so instead I'm going to take a 480B here from work. I got my kids with me, so it's going to be a fun family outing today. So we're going to pre-flight and get taken off here in a moment.
Hey, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, friction is off. Everything is in the green. You guys are all belted and buckled in. We're charging. We got good voltage. Got full fuel. Hey,
I need a snack.
you need a snack. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, I get a little master caution because of oil pressure just because it's so cold out, but we can live with that. So up and over the snowdrift here.
They're blowing all the snow.
Yeah, we're blowing all the snow around, aren't we?
Yeah. Wow.
Can we zoom around over the snow here for a second?
Yeah. Fun? Yeah. Fun.
Going 100 miles an hour.
I love it. Nothing like down here. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Can we get one of these? Yeah. Here we are up in cruise, 600 feet just over the woods of northern Wisconsin. We're about 70 miles out of Oshkosh here. What do you guys think of helicopter flying so far?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah. Can we fly over the ocean?
Can we fly over the ocean? I think we're a long ways from the ocean, buddy, but maybe we can kind of skirt the bay here. This is Green Bay. We got a little bit of haze developing. It's going to be warm today, so wouldn't be surprised if we get a little bit of haze. But boy, what a beautiful day for flying here in Wisconsin. But Green Bay approach was nice enough to give us an overflight of Lambeau Field. You can see Lambeau Field right off the front of the windscreen.
Hey, there's the Packers.
There's the Packers. That's right, buddy.
We fly right over it.
We're going to fly right over it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can see the sledding hill there. They built their own sledding hill just outside of the stadium here. They're building a whole new stadium district down here. It's really exciting. They get a good view of Lambeau. If you're ever flying into Green Bay, don't be afraid to ask approach or tower to fly over the football stadium. Usually they're pretty amenable to that. Not during a game, of course, but any other time if you want to fly over the stadium, just ask them, and generally they'll let you circle the field. It's pretty neat. Well, we're just coming over the north shore of Lake Winnebago here. Lots of ice fishermen out today. See where the Fox River dumps into the lake here. And we're just about to Oshkosh. We're only about 15 miles out. Okay, so here we are. We're just west of Oshkosh, airport in Oshkosh, and coming up on this big microwave tower here. And this is the entrance into the approach for Pioneer Field. So when you fly into Pioneer, you can only do it with permission. So don't try this at home. But they give us a special approach that we can fly. And today they're using 3-1. The winds are out of the southwest. So we actually fly just kind of loop south around this microwave tower and head back north in. We got to get down below 500 feet, stay below the traffic, going into Oshkosh. And then we make sort of a short base, and you're right into 3-1. So done it before in the airplane. It's a little bit fast, a little bit exciting. Shouldn't be nearly as exciting in the helicopter, but we'll give it a try anyway. Try to keep an eye out for other airplanes. I think most of the other airplanes are there already, but I did hear one guy coming in on the approach. Those of you that have flown in for AirVenture, Oshkosh looks quite a bit different when there's not 4,000 airplanes on the field.
Daddy,
What, honey?
where should I put my wrapper?
Did you put your wrapper? Just put it back in the bag, dear.
8 Lima.
What?
Just put it back in the bag.
Back 2638 Lima, Oshkosh Tower. Roger, 38 Lima is 10 miles south of the field, inbound landing with Charlie.
Oh, these are all our
Okay,
campgrounds here. I'm going to turn my anti-ice on and my scavenger on because we're coming in over
Roger,
snow.
5 south for 183 Lima.
And we'll fly a base here, just kind of beam right at the tower.
Tower 5 on November, lights go.
Coming over the campground here, starting to slow ourselves down.
Right there, and contact ground, hold short of Alpha. Hold short of Alpha, 55 November.
And there's Pioneer.
Tachi 1 Charlie Fox is 4 north.
Come over the red barn here.
Circle for the Alpha 27, VOR 9 next. 1 Charlie Fox, report your circle to the east for runway.
What are you doing, Joey?
1 Charlie Fox, welcome.
Joey, get out of there.
Yum.
Oshkosh Tower, front door.
Joey, you already got us now.
Ready for takeoff at 18.
Hey guys, let's be a little quiet here while I'm landing, okay?
2007, cleared for takeoff on course. Cleared for takeoff, 30 Hotel. 30 Hotel, you said southeast, correct? Southeast. Roger that.
Look at all the airplanes here, holy cow.
Hey, Oshkosh Tower 3, Lima, can I expect left or right traffic for 1A? Number 38 Lima, you can expect left traffic, just need to maintain 1,800 or above until established on base. Roger that, 3 Lima. Did I say left? I meant right, sorry about that. Roger.
Daddy.
Roger, 3 Lima, we'll expect right traffic for 3 Lima.
Daddy, we're the only helicopter.
We are the only helicopter.
How come?
Because no one else came. Oh, we're kicking up a little snow here, not too bad. They roped us off a nice little parking spot here. I watch my tail rotor.
Why do you want to land here?
This is where they want us to land.
Why'd they put cones?
So there we go, we made it to Oshkosh. Quite a fun flight. And we're gonna go get some chili. So here we are, we made it to EAA. We're having a little lunch here. We decided to skip the chili feed and just hang out with the pilots here, eat some sandwiches. Kids were hungry, they didn't want to go over to the museum. So good flight down, and now we're gonna enjoy some lunch.
Huh? What? Look at all the airplanes. Look at all the airplanes on skis. Aren't they cool? All the different colors. There's our helicopter over there. Let's go on the bus. Okay, we'll head over to the museum.
So we will take the bus over to the museum and check out what they got over there. Right, guys?
Yeah!
Yeah!
This is the city of Paris.
This is the city of Paris.
Lego.
Is that where Lindbergh landed? Lucky Lindy?
Yes.
Joey, don't climb on there. Come on. See, look, there's our helicopter, buddy. Look at all the other airplanes.
Just a little while longer.
What's that?
Because I want to look at
How do we drive now?
How do you drive now? Just up and down. Left and right. Wow, you're a good pilot there, buddy.
Okay, Joey's turn.
Has air bladder, just like this.
Go, Joe.
Flying really hard. Your whole suit goes like that to keep all the blood from going right to the head.
What kind of airplanes are those?
Those are Boeing Stearmans. Those are World War II trainers. That's like Grandpa Dick's airplane, isn't it?
Only his is red and black.
What's that?
Only his is red and black.
His is red and black, that's right. His is a Myers.
Area clear, friction off. Hey, you guys ready to go?
6 Hotel. Traffic.
Pick up here.
November 41, Victor. Hold short of runway 18. Traffic lands and departs.
Holding short for landing traffic. 41 Victor.
Everyone's watching off.
Yeah, they are.
They want to see a helicopter take off, don't they? It's dead, ain't it? That's not.
Okay, so 2020 EAA flight class ski play flying. That was quite a bit of fun.
86 Hotel, what's your direction of departure?
Makes that a lot of fun.
Heading about 210.
Makes that a lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun.
Hotel, Roger. Maintain the runway heading until reaching 1,800 and then proceed on course.
86 Hotel, maintain runway heading till 1800 and on the course. Thank you.
November 41, Victor, wind 22012, runway 18, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading.
22018, runway heading, clear for takeoff 18, 41 Victor.
For anybody interested, I would highly recommend that. That was a really fun event. Kids and I had a great time. If you had a ski, pretty easy to get in and out.
Mr. Romeo, Papa 1 ready for departure.
So basically we got to do here is fly south till we clear the Class D, and then we can loop around over the lake and head home.
Hello everyone. Well, this is how you tell if you made a good landing when you haven't woken up the kids. They're both still sleeping, so looks like I set it down all right. Hope you all enjoyed coming with us today down to the ski plane flying at Oshkosh. I certainly enjoyed it, and want to give a big shout out, a big thanks to EAA and John Isley at EAA for putting that together. I really appreciate them accommodating us, and a big thanks to Enstrom for allowing me to use the aircraft today and share this fun day with the family. So kids really had a good time. As you can tell, they're wore out, and we're gonna put the helicopter away and go home. So once again, thanks very much, and check out EAA.org for more information on EAA, EnstromHelicopter.com for more information on Enstrom Helicopter, and look forward to seeing you next time on the next edition of Inside Enstrom. Thanks.